A very good evening to the examiners. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Jeevan Raj Ramakrishnan and my metric number is 192741. This is the final year project proposal presentation and my title was Internet of Things Based Smart Class Attendance System. Okay, firstly the introduction. Taking student attendance in classroom, especially with large number of students, is a difficult task and time consuming. Nowadays, the process of taking attendance is in the form of hard copy paper sheets. Lecturers manually done the process by calling student names one by one or pass the paper to students across or around the classroom. This manual process is wasting the time and effort of lecturers in preparing the attendance sheets and distributing the sheets to the students to sign for the attendance. Other disadvantages include the loss of sheets or the sheets can be stolen that even more burden or difficulties to the lecturers. In this project or in this study, I propose the development of Internet of Things IoT-based smart class attendance system. This system is a smartphone application. Secondly, the problem statement. Universities nowadays use manual entry to record student attendance. The attendance will be recorded in handwritten or printed out registers. It is usually not easy to retrieve the information. In the present attendance system, teachers have to either ask the students to write down their name on a piece of blank paper, or they have to provide a list of enrolled students and ask them to mark their names. After the data is collected, it is taken even more time to transfer the data onto other systems for data analysis. Besides that, one important thing that the current system lacks is the time of individual attendance record is taken. Managing time for taking attendance, keeping record attendance, and calculate percentage of classes attendance can be tiresome for class teachers or lecturers management. Tabassum et al. 2009. Therefore, this proposed system believed to become best alternative to manual attendance taking method. Research objectives. To design a smartphone application for classroom attendance based on IoT environment. Secondly, to provide an easy-to-use smartphone application that records the attendance of students in classroom using IoT environment. Thirdly, to generate an attendance report that shows the number of students that are present and validate the number of students that are absent. This is the third objective is done in the database or server. Significance of study. This study aims to give benefit to the lecturers of University Putra Malaysia (UPM) in taking student attendance easily and also without any human error. This study also hoped can save lecturers time and effort in taking students' attendance successfully and update the attendance records in database. Next, we see scope of the study. IoT-based smart class attendance system using GPS is designed for university community. This attendance system will be developed by focusing on GPS technology in the smartphone. Some other attendance systems that already have been developed by others are using radio frequency identification technology, near-field communication technology, and Wi-Fi technology. GPS is the most suitable technology to be implemented as most students nowadays have their own mobile phone and mobile phones are also equipped with GPS technology. This system is for university lecturers to track and record the attendance of their students in every particular lecture session. This study will be conducted in UPM classroom to analyze the capability of the system in detecting the coordinate of classroom and able to detect the signal of GPS in the smartphone. After that, this study also makes sure that the system able to store the attendance in the database successfully. Next, we go into literature review. Firstly, we are going to look at generating viewpoint of Internet of Things. What is Internet of Things? Internet of Things refers to network interconnection of objects which are equipped with ubiquitous intelligence. IoT increases the ubiquity of the Internet by integrating the objects for interaction by embedded system. This leads to a highly distributed network of devices communicating with humans as well as other devices. Xia et al. 2012. Kalmeshwar and Prasad 2017 stated that IoT is one solution for all smart devices that connects to internet and monitoring, controlling with just NMS. NMS is Network Management System. One example of NMS available in market today is SNMP, Simple Network Management Tool. Secondly, an efficient automatic attendance system using fingerprint verification technique. Saraswat and Kumar 2010 proposed an attendance system using fingerprint verification technique. Their proposed system uses fingerprint verification by using extraction of minuet technique. The system automates the whole process of taking attendance. Thirdly, facial presence monitoring system for information security. On the other hand, ZU 2009 proposed a prototype system that monitor and authenticate users for attendance taking using facial recognition. A neural network-based algorithm was implemented to enable the face detection in the system. An aiding face method was used to carry out facial recognition process. The result of this experiment showed feasibility of real-time continuous user verification for high-level security system. Lastly, student attendance using RFID system. Maidin 2008 proposed automated student attendance management system using radio frequency identification. The system uses student card in accept or reject the student from taking attendance and storing in database. One of major disadvantage of this system is this technique did not identify individual based on who he or she is. Therefore, this system can lead to impersonation. Expected result of the study. The smart attendance application in student smartphone is expected to create an account when student register for the account successfully. Secondly, the system in the lecturer computer is expected to let the lecturer to successfully log in into the system. Lecturers should successfully set the coordinate of the classroom. The server should detect the GPS signal from student smartphone successfully. The server should record the attendance of students without any error. Lastly, the smart set attendance system is expected to operate normally without any error 24 hours a day, every day. Okay, now we are looking at the context diagram of this study. Uh, students, uh, students' mobile phone expected to send attendance details, that is the student's personal information, to the IoT-based class attendance system. Therefore, the system can send the attendance details to the server database. After the details are stored in server database, the server database will send a message to the IoT-based smart class system that the attendance informations, and the IoT-based smart class attendance system will send the attendance information to students' mobile phone. This is the use case diagram. Students able to log in into the system. Every time they log in, the system will verify the password. They can update profile. They can confirm attendance by clicking OK. The system will ask students, are they already in the class? After they click the OK button, the system will confirm the attendance of the students. And lastly, students will log out. For the lecturer also have to log into the system, update profile, enter coordinate of the class, and after students confirm their attendance, the lecturers will get the report of the students that attended to the class. Lastly, the lecturers also will log out. This is the gunshot. The gunshot is starts with project planning. Project planning. It actually takes 10 days, starting from 20 of April until 30th of April. Secondly, the analyze requirement will take about 5 days. Conduct feasibility study will take about 5 days. Analysis will take about 39 days. Prepare functional specification document will take 10 days. Functional specification review will take 5 days. Prepare proposal and get approval will take 24 days. And the design phase will take about 25 days. Prepare design specification document will take about 15 days. Design review will take about 7 days. Revised document will take about 8 days. Development phase will take about 33 days. Develop system modules will take about 17 days. Integrate system modules will take about 9 days. Perform initial testing will take about 4 days. And the testing phase will take about 35 days. Perform system testing will take about 21 days. Document issues found will take about 8 days. Correct issues found. The time allocated for that phase is 4 days. Okay, for the conclusion, computerizing attendance tracking has many advantages over all traditional systems that in using paper sheets. One of the most prominent one is data from classrooms can easily be transformed to database for later usages. Lecturers no longer have to worry about the effort and time lost to transfer the data from paper into the system. They also did not have to worry about the chances to lose the attendance sheets. That's all from me. Thank you.